Hello guys, I'm Harun Quiz. To tell you in this tutorial how to remove permanently iCloud activation lock links from any iPhone device. Right now we can see here this device is locked to owners. So how do you unlock permanently without doing a jailbreak at your home? We will see live here, and this is a permanent method guys. That is, it is stuck on iCloud activation lock links. When we will give a good configuration by virtue of iTunes in an iCloud database server, it's essential that this is locked to owners. Or this device was lost, erase interable ID and password that's were used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID and password behind it. How do you remove permanently? We will see live now. First and foremost, we will connect a 3U tool and we will go in the inside of the crash analysis and we will delete some data from here. So this is an easy task to especially I'm delete from here. So I have deleted now. Once again we will go in the inside of that and we will check it out. There is no data now, so it has been deleted finally. Once again we will back and check it out that it is unlocked or not. If it is not unlocked, then we'll come in a smart flash, and in a smart flash guys we will check it out what's iOS is being recommended latest. So just to see here, we will delete these things and now see what's iOS is being recommended here. We can check it out here. There's a here. See this one's here. Just let me delete and now once again we will check it out. What's iOS? iOS is here. Here see here 16.7.1111, so just we will go for import and 16.7.11 this ones we will try to import this. We can download also, there is a download link, so first that we can directly download spontaneously. We will back here and here see retain user data means apps and applications, whatever the data is inside on this device would be retained, or but we continue. So these things we don't have to elect these ones, just we will go for quick flash mode, means everything will be erased completely. Anti-recovery, it will take a much more times. It's successfully imported here, we can see here. So this firmware has been masked and the fixed flash don't select. If this device will stuck on Apple logo, then of course we'll go for here. Now here we can check it out that this device is locked. So now everything has been done. So now we will go for 20 times console clear, that whatever the data or retaining especially via especially crash analysis we have cleared in cloud database server all the data. Now Apple database server we will remove these things. So sorry, iTunes is already open. So third tool we will have to go for open imaging PC. Now before going to the execution of the imaging PC here, it has been opened. So just we will go for continue and see here this device cam here. Just we will scroll up, so we will come to show device console, and of course we will try to clear. So 8 less to 20 times we have to declare. So see 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 12 8 list guys, more than 20 times it should be show. Yes, we will go for here. Now what we will do guys here, see we will back one more time and we will go for here 5 times more. Yes, almost it has been declared. Now it is still accumulating. Let's see. Now we will come on especially here toolbox. We will go for REC mode. We will hit this ones. We will come on here. We will go for clear. So almost white screen is coming. So just so that we can close this especially. We can close especially also this iTunes. Now we will wait for on here. We will go in the flash option. We will pick this quick flash mode. Don't select the retain. Don't select the anti-recovery and fix. Just we will elect this one and we will go for here. Hit this one. We will go for don't select the fixed battery during the health and hit this one. So now we are on a 9%. 9 to 15, 11, of course when it will cross the more than 30%, then most probably of course more especially and mostly it will be unlocked. How since just I'm waiting on a 18%. Let's see. there are 2-3 precautions also that we will have to follow. But firstly, let's check it out. It's cross now finally. So if it has a cross, it means most probably this device would be unlocked anyhow. If any error will come, so then of course we will try to fix anyhow. Now we can see here it's across the 30%, so most probably it would be unlocked. Any error will come, or any kinds of the issues will notify to us on a actually a screen, then of course we'll try to fix it also. And 2-3 crucial steps that we'll have to execute at the end of this tutorial. So what's the tail end of this tutorial, of course, and if you do it, especially similar strategies, similar executions, then of course would be a veterans to wipe out the permanently any kind of the iOS lock links issues on any iPhones, guys. So now it is especially writing the file system on a especially 34%, but don't look on here. If any error will come, so then we will check it out. But here, see, more than especially 30%, it's also accelerating. Let's see. Or sometimes especially it will jumps from especially I'm the 34% to a 50 or maybe 70. Just we wait and watch till it's not notifying the error. Spontaneously will notify error when you don't have a second internet connection, or your internet connection is not connected properly in your PC or laptops, and not giving a good configuration in iCloud or Apple database server. Now, second thing also that doing the flashing, of course, don't worry, your device may restart multiple times. So in that condition, don't disconnect and don't unplug, otherwise it will stuck on an Apple logo. So be sure for it. And try to always use a data cable that should be originals. How can I show that it has been stuck on 34%? Not at all. Just to see it's accelerating. I think it has been the rest on especially more than 40%. So look at on the physical body, it's accelerating, but on a screen it has been the freeze and especially rolling again and again, especially on writing file system. Don't worry, it will directly jump from there too. Everything's in front of you happening, so especially this is easy way to unlock at your home without any hassle, guys. Either your device is blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, or time screen passcode locks, or mobile device management locks, or maybe screen loopings, or your phone is unavailable for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or anything. All kind of issues that can be fixed, but if your phone is unavailable, then don't go for the clear off especially console and of course the crash analysis directly. Firstly, flash it and then go for it. Now here, without touching on this device, of course we will generate a new login password and we would transfer especially directly from iTunes to on particular this iPhone. So how it is possible without touching, without having the internet connection also? I'm the telling, so don't insert the SIM card and don't let it be inserted the SIM card on any iPhones while you're unlocking. So otherwise maybe precise location or the virtual location or genuine location will not especially give or permissions to have the good configuration in a cloud data or Apple database server. That's why. Now see here, it's a flashing and it has been across this with more than 60%. We are waiting till it's not succeed or notifying to us that the congratulations, this has been done. So then 2-3 crucial steps that of course we will have to proceed, or we will proceed to wipe out the permanent load description of everything. All the tools, so the requirements that we can see here, that is one is a imaging PC, second is a special item, and the third is 3U tools. IPSW, this can be downloaded from the various website. One website is the 3U.com. Second website is ipsw.com, ipsw.beta.com, and fourth one itself Apple, guys. So from out of the four anyone's website you can reach and you can download in the firmware or directly via tool days through your tool, you can download it also. Now see here on our physicals process on particular these phones, we have reached more than 80%. So I think scarcely further it will take a 5 minute, and the phone of course will go for different processes to execute. If that would be a succeed, then of course easily this phone will be a completely unlocked. This device, especially in the camera, my especially in the sort of the 2 especially in the bypass or time the permanently. It had especially once time actually locks with the help of jailbreaks, but of course it was rebooted and due to some reason and upon it stuck on once again iCloud activation. So don't worry, either is locked to owner, a screen, passcode, time, especially iDevice mobile management locks, or especially any other kinds of some blacklist installed and lost. Situation or a status is a coming especially on your iPhones, and then of course you can handle also by a similar way. But one thing also that this procedure can be applicable above the space line, the 10x window, because it will be much more efficient, especially and works fastly. Otherwise, it will take much more time. Second thing, the RAM of your computer that should be more than 8 GB. Otherwise, of course, you will have the problem. So now see, this is notifying to us that especially this completely has been cleaned up plus. It's a congratulating to us. So let's congratulate to this software also by clicking on OK. And therefore, of course, we will come on a space lamp the toolbox. We'll wait here, guys, for highlighted off in the batch activation. Until it's not highlighting, then we will have to wait. Why it should be? Because it will skip the whole the setting. There is no potential steps and language, Wi-Fi settings, everything. So just we will go for now. We'll come down the activation of this device. So I'm the trying to activate first. Any error will come, so then immediately we will change the internet connection. However, not giving good configuration or error is coming, so then we will use the preset. So this phone was a purchase especially in Europe. Sales area or sales model of the Europe of this device. So we will make the customized precise location of Europe on PC or laptop. And thereupon once again we will execute this under activation and assure you 100% is this will give you quick and of course positive result. So let's see any error will come, so then we will do two things by changing here to succeed. So it will give you green sign of that it has been succeeded. Let's wait here, don't do anything, so just we will have to wait for notifications. What's kind of the notification is being displayed on this software? It is still under activations. Now see, it has been the completely succeed. So second step we will go for here, cut it, and thereupon of course we will come here. Now it's saying no need to here. So it means of course there is a little bit problem. Once again we will come on here, select these ones, and thereupon we will go for here. We'll go for here. It says no need, then it means of course we'll go for here. It has been succeeded here. Green sign is saying that, so it means of course we will come here. Now we will come on here and we will select this thing. So it's still not highlighted. If it is not highlighted, once again we will go for select all and we will hit this ones. Now it's saying not required. It means not required in that condition. Let's give the signal of to especially this device. Now we will select the country and the language, and we will give the good configuration by virtue of iTunes. Let's see what's the message coming on iTunes. Is it still locked to owner or not? We'll go for customizations. We will go for here. We'll go for continue, and let's see. We'll go for here directions. We will go for here. It's asking Wi-Fi. I don't know why it's giving to the Wi-Fi. These things are coming, so we will not connect to Wi-Fi. Yeah. Now we will go for here. Just let me open this iTunes. Now see here. Just we will come the once again here and. Let's select these ones. We will go for here back and we'll go for here once again. We will click on here. It's saying no need to. Fine, means it there is no problem in especially here. Yes, let me check it out. It's not working because saying not required. So in that condition, what can I do here? It is asking Wi-Fi. So in that condition, we will disconnect and we will go for don't connect a Wi-Fi or any internet connection, guys. Yes, just we will go for here. Open iTunes. I don't know why iTunes is not opening. Now it has been opened. Let it access the data by virtue of iTunes because iTunes is giving a configuration. Now see, it's saying the welcome to new one means your device has been to become the finally as a new. So in that condition we will back and we will go for here. Now here just to see directly we will come on here to sign in to, of course we will go for new, create a new Apple ID and password. So this option is giving here, then of course this would be a much more better. Now you can create new Apple ID, password, verify password, term and condition. Of course here we will have to accept by selecting the country and the region, go for continue. So this ID would be directly transfers. How can I believe that this phone is unlocked? Because we can check it out on this particular iPhones. Now spontaneously here, just to see, it's a matter of the virtual location and the precise location we will have to customize here. Then let me here, I would like to show you. See, batch activation, it is escapes. This thing is coming. So just once again we will come here and let's say description everything. Now see, we are on here once again. If we are having these problems, and then go for here, go for once again and see here what will happens. Gone everything. Now there is no any links, there is no any CL steps, and everything has gone. There is no inside the ID. Of course it is asking here to connect the internet connections. How it is possible without having the internet connection? It has been the final locks. See how the magically it happens, guys. It's a thing in front of you, everything that connect to the internet to the sign into your device. So how is it possible? Second thing also I would like to tell you how, just if you'll come, especially face ID in the passcodes, here is also especially we can check it out. Now see, all are disabled. So how easily this can be. Now how do you make the SIM card is enabled or especially SIM card functional? If the SIM card after inserting here, there is no SIM card, but if we insert the SIM card and the SIM card is invalid or network carrier lock has a comments in that condition, of course, we will have to go for true location, restore the true location means this device would be rebooted, and therefore of course the further it will directly go on, it will come on a home screen, and this phone is a completely unlocks permanently. This is a permanent solution, so without having any hassle at your home you can apply executes in this strategy. Now see, it will be rebooted and directly will come on a home screen. Let's wait here. Now it's a home screen, fine. If I go for everything, so this is all about in this video tutorial. The further more inquiry, of course, drop the query into the comments box. So the pleasure of the master to reply your query, guys. How do you like these tutorials? Leave the comments, of course leave the feedbacks and drop the comments in the comments box as a feedback. So your feedback is very valuable to make the further this kind of valuable or informative tutorial or not. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.